Hello, welcome to today's lesson. So we continue looking at indices. Now today I want us to look at fractional indices and see how we can solve such questions in an exam. So come with me. Now, we have 4 to the power 1 over 2. Now, you need to understand what this means. Now, here, the 2 stands for the root and the 1 stands for the power. So always, the number on top, which is the numerator, stands for the power. And the number on the bottom, which is the denominator, stands for the root. Now, let us see what this means. Now, let's say 4, 1 over 2. So this will be equal to, now, you look for the number such that when you multiply it by itself twice, it will give you 4. So here what they're asking you is to find the square root of what? Of 4. And that square root of 4 it's 2. Okay? To the power of 1. Okay. So 2 to the power of 1 simply means 2. Okay. So like that. So what you should know is that if a number is risen to a fraction, the numerator is the power and the denominator is the root. Okay. Let's go into some few exam questions. Number 1, 81 raised to the power of 3 over 4. So here, this 4 is the root, and the 3 is the power. So here they're asking us to find the fourth root of 81. The 4 there. So what is the fourth root of 81? What number can you multiply by itself 4 times to give you 81? So you find that that number is 3. So the fourth root of 81 is 3. What does this mean? This means 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? And that will give us a 27. You have answered. As simple as that. Okay, look at it. Number 2. 9 raised to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1. Okay? So this will be equal to, so here, this 2 is the square. So we're looking for the number such that when you multiply it by itself twice, it will give you 9. Okay? So what is the square root of 9? It is 3 to the power of 1 plus 1. So any number raised to the power of 1 is the number itself. So 3 to the power of 1, it is 3 plus this 1. So there our answer is 4. Okay? Hope you're seeing that. Okay. Number 3. So this will be equal to, now, here we have the negative sign. 27 to negative 1 over 3. Now, when an index is risen to a negative, what do? To get rid of this negative, we're going to say 1 over, okay, 27, 1 over 3. We've gotten rid of what? Of a negative sign. So that's what we do. For example, if let's say 5 to the power of negative 1, right? This is written like 1 over 5 to the power of 1, which will be equals to 1 over 5, like that. That is how we get rid of a negative when you're dealing with the indices. So this will be equals to, here they are telling us the cube root of 27. So we're going to say 1 over, what is the cube root of 27? What number can you multiply by itself 3 times to give us 27? So that number is 3. So we're going to say 1 over 3 to the power of 1. Are you seeing this? This 3 is the cube root of 27. So it is 3. This 1 is the power of 1, and the 1 is here. So this is the same as 3 to the power of 1, it is just 3. So that is your answer there. Hope you are following. Question number 4. 16 raised to the power 1 over 4. How do we solve this? So here we're saying, what is the fourth root of 16? What number can you multiply by itself 4 times to give us 16? Okay, so that number is 2. That number is 2. Okay? When we multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So the fourth root of 16 is 2. Okay? So 2 to the power of 1 is what? Is 2. Okay. It's as simple as that. Let's go to our last example. Example number 5. Okay? So this, it says cube root of 27. Okay? What is the cube root of 27? Okay? So the cube root of 27 is what? Is a 3. So this is a 3 to the power of 2. This will be equal to, this means a 3 times a 3. Okay? So 3 times a 3 is what? Is 9. So basically, that is how we deal with the fractional indices. Now, another rule in indexing or when you're dealing with indices is the power of 0. Okay, so anything that is raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. What do we mean? Let's say, for example, if we have 3 to the power of 0, it is equals to 1. If we have 5 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Any number, let's say we have 100 to the power of 0, it is equals to 1. So always know this rule. Okay? 2 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Okay, that is how we deal with the indices, fractional indices, and also the rule of the power of 0. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching, and play the video, rewind it, and make sure that you understand and solve exam questions. Thank you.